Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in a Nissan Pathfinder with us, and I just wanted to send you over a quick video of one that we have in stock so you can see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley directly at 330-714-7621. The Nissan Pathfinder is a great vehicle equipped with a 3.5 liter V6 and tons of space for the family. This 3.5 liter V6 and the configuration that you see here is capable of hauling a small boat or trailer of your choosing. Very capable vehicle, and one we're excited for you to stop out and see. We're also going to include 3 years of free oil changes with the purchase or lease of your new car. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road, across the street from the Splash Car Wash and Lowe's. We do have late nights and weekend hours available for your convenience. So take the time and give us a buzz and let us know when you'd like to stop out and take one for a spin. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Take care.